you bake? It's not just about making food. You're exploring new recipes, learning new skills, and you get to enjoy your delicious creations. At MIB, whether you're a baking newbie, running your own home baking business, or just want to pick up a new skill, we have just the right program for you. Our goal is to empower you with baking knowledge and to spread the joy of baking. MIB's baking classes are designed to guide beginners bakers in their very first baking moment. Whether you'd like to expand your repertoire, receive a certification, or just want to get the fundamentals right, we are here to help. Breads, pastries, and cakes, our courses are structured to give you a better understanding of baking, so you can bake your very own delicious products. Freshly baked bread, flaky croissants, or velvety cakes. Our expert chefs are here to guide you all the way. Sign up now and let us take care of your learning experience. We assure you that by the end of the course, you will emerge a better baker. Inquire today to see how we can help you in your baking journey.